Hey yo, what's going on? It's your boy AB Chopper. So yeah, guys, this week we made over 3.9% trading only two positions, guys, two long positions, one on NZDCHF and one on GBPCHF. So let's dive in. So yeah, guys, first thing first, we got NZDCHF. Okay, so NZDCHF was a long position, guys, which we took on. Okay, no, the first trade is GBPCHF, and then NZDCHF was a loss. Okay, I will explain furthermore, but then it starts with GBP CHF. Okay, so the long position we take, guys, was right there. Okay, it was right there. It reads a structure, but then I want to do a top down analysis first. Okay, so zooming out, see the daily, guys. As you can see that, okay, price was forming, price was slowly approaching the level right there. Okay, our value area. Okay, our value area. Why I say this is a value area, as you can see, we had that pullback and then we had that aggressive break, guys, breaking multiple highs. Okay, and also price was forming what, guys, a structure, a three-touch structure, something like this, guys, as you can see on the daily. Okay, on the daily, but then I'm going to analyze a lot on the daily. Let's jump straight to the H4 time frame. Okay, and then on the H4 time frame, guys, as you can see, so right here the idea, guys, I was looking for short positions. Okay, and then we hit this kind of structure, but then as you can see, price failed, guys, price failed, and it completed what, guys? I was waiting for a M style structure. What do you call M style structure? Okay, whereby price on the third touch fails. Okay, like break aggressive, and then after that reaching a value area, and then after the value area form an impulse and then give us a correction on the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame. Okay, or even the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so yeah, we had this kind of structure, guys. We had this kind of structure, guys. Okay, on the H1 time frame, and then what I did, I also identified this hook point right there. And then jumping into the H1 time frame, because that's where I found the structure, that's where I executed. Okay, zooming into the H1 time frame, guys, as you can see, we had what, a clear three-touch structure, guys, whereby this is our first touch right there, second touch on the middle, and then our third touch right there. Okay, and then we had our base. Okay, and also we had what, guys, we had the inner structure, which completed what, the three-touch structure, guys, the bigger structure. And as you can see, we are having what, our 1, we're having our 2, and then our three-touch structure, which is a complete structure, guys. And also, mind you, we had what, guys, we had our impulsive push right here, guys. We had our impulsive push on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the entry candlestick, guys, was a low test. Let me take price action back. Okay, right there. No, but that was not our entry candlestick. The entry candlestick was this one, guys, the first bullish candlestick. Okay, it's a low test, by the way. And then we took our entry, and then I will show you the signal, guys. We put our buy stop right there, stop loss below the structure as always, guys. And then for targets, we were aiming at this high right here, guys. Okay, but then I managed to walk away with 1:3 point. No, it 1:4, guys, 1:4. I will show you on my Notion, okay, where I channel. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it played out. As you can see, after taking the enterprise, just went straight impulse, and then right there when price pulled back, so right here, guys, price was forming a correction. Okay, that's where I moved my stop loss to break even. Okay, and then yeah, as you can see, we break the high, and then after breaking the high, I moved my stop loss also, looking in some young profit, and then at the end I walked away with 1:4, guys. Okay, yep, as you can see, as price approached that level, that's where I closed my trades. Okay, I manually closed. Okay, so let me show you the signal. So currently you are on the VIP section, guys, on the VIP group. I want to show you the signal. As you can see, GBPCHF buy stop ads, and then our stop loss, and then as you can see, so yeah, as you can see, and over the time, guys, it was 2 minutes past 12, and then the next day, as you can see, good morning team, move the stop loss to break even point. And then yeah, we were waiting for a structure, guys, on gold. Okay, and then yeah, as you can see, I told the team to move the stop loss, guys, to lock in some profit. As you can see, the entry was in deep blues, guys, meaning the entry was, yeah, in deep blues, as I'm saying. And yeah, let me show you the channel, guys, on my channel on the Notion. So yeah, as you can see, the first trade, guys, GBPCHF I will only take two trades, guys, and then it was a trader structure, and then the date was January 12th 2026, and then this was after, guys, and we walked away with 4.6% profit, okay, and then it's a win, and also it was a lower risk trade, guys. It was a lower risk trade, okay. And yeah, then the second entry we took, guys, which was a loss, was on NZD-CHF, guys, which it's a good entry. It's a good entry to take, guys, okay. Let me just break it down, okay. Doing a top down analysis, okay. So yeah, doing a top down analysis, guys, you can see right now I'm on a daily. As you can see, we had that hook point right there, the hook point level, and price was forming what, guys, the expanding channel, expanding channel, and definitely right there we did capitalize with the team on that move. We did capitalize, and be sure, man, to join the VIP group, guys. I will leave my contacts in the description and also on the comment section, okay. So yeah, we capitalized on that move, and then right here, guys, as you can see, we had what, guys, we had this smaller inflection point, guys. We had that smaller inflection point, and then price was also forming what, expanding channel, another expanding channel. So as you can see, I'm not surprised when price it's selling right there, because I know it's completing a structure. But then I'm going to wait for insurance entry, guys, insurance entry on the H1 or the 15-minute time frame. But then for now, I just want to break down this entry right here, okay. So as you can see, guys, we had those inner inflection points right there, okay, and right there I was waiting for a sell. But then price didn't meet the value area. Price didn't meet the value area. It left a gap. I like to see price breaking the value area, not leaving a gap like that, okay. So right there, as you can see, we didn't hit that break, okay, on the hook point level, okay. So zooming into the H1 time frame, we also had another structure, guys, which we didn't take because it was invalidated, guys, okay. The structure was like this. Okay, and then we did put our sell stop, guys, below, right there, below that candlestick. This is the reason why, guys, I use sell stops and buy stops, okay. This is the reason why I'm trying to avoid these kind of losses, guys, these kind of losses, because imagine if you took the entry right there, you manually executed, and then you take this kind of loss, straight up loss, guys. Tabang. Yeah, well, it hurts, I know, but then yeah, this is the reason why I use buy stops, okay. And then yeah, we had this structure, guys. We had the structure, and then but the structure failed. So I was like, okay, right now I'm going to wait for M style structure, guys, for M style structure, whereby price break the structure, meet a value area, and then impulse giving us a correction for taking it shorts, okay. But then as you can see, we didn't have that M style structure complete, okay. We had this kind of structure, guys. We had this kind of three-touch structure, a nice structure, okay. So the time right here, guys, it was late, around London session going to Asian session, guys, 21 at night, okay. So as you can see, guys, let me just remove this, and then we will go to the Notion. I want to show you something also, okay. Yep, as you can see, guys, right here we are having what, guys, simple impulse correction, continuation. You got it, simple impulse correction and then continuation. So the entry was right there, guys, on that candlestick right there, okay, on that candlestick right there. And then it was Thursday, I think, yeah, Thursday. And then we took the entry, guys, with the team. I will show you the signal on the group, and then the stop loss always, guys, below the structure, okay. So and the stop loss was right here below this hook point right there, okay, below. And then for take profit level, obviously we use our inflection points on the left hand side, okay. So right here I was aiming around 1:3, 1:4, you know, for the week, okay. And then as you can see, guys, price take us in, and then boom, obviously spread, guys, take us out. And then when I woke up in the morning, I saw this kind of price action, and then price was somewhere right there. So I was like, no, I ain't going to chase the entry, guys. Imagine buying here, and then my stop loss level must be something like this. No, you got it. Price must give you a, if like as a trader, you must aim for a good risk to reward ratio, guys, okay. You cannot just trade for a 1:1 or 1:2, 1:3 or every day, every time. You are not making profit, but then yeah, it is what it is. As you can see, price did move, guys. Price did move price did move, guys. Price did move. Like, I'm now on the foot, okay. But anyways, let me show you the signal on the VIP group. But first thing first, let me show you the losses, guys. The loss, guys. And as you can see, I was risking 0.5% right there. I was risking 0.5%, and yeah. So yeah, guys, this was after, as you can see, guys, price completed a trigger structure. I was waiting for a structure right there, trigger structure, guys, continuation pattern, but price didn't form that continuation pattern. It formed what's a reversal. This is a reversal, guys, whereby we have our impulse and then our correction, and then as you can see, we had our first push and then a second correction, guys. Okay, so this was a nice structure, guys. To be honest, this was a nice structure, and as you can see the focus, guys, I was waiting for a trigger structure on the H1 time frame, and price did form a trigger structure on the H1 time frame, but then price took us out, guys, right there on the pullback, like usual. But then yeah, it is what it is, guys. Okay, and then now I want to show you the signal, guys. Now I want to show you the signal now on the VIP group, guys. Be sure to join the VIP group. And yeah, where is it? It ends at TCHF, right? Yeah, as you can see, guys, this was the signal ends at TCHF. Buy stop at. So yeah, guys, this was the signal, as you can see, NZTCHF long, and then buy stop at, and then sell, and then stop loss at, whatever. So yeah, guys, be sure to join the VIP mentorship group, guys. Be sure to join the VIP mentorship group. And also, guys, I want to announce something. I have a Telegram channel, guys. I will also leave the link in the description. We need more members, guys. We need more serious traders out there. Okay, and then this is our private group right there, guys. And then yeah, this is my group. Okay, so be sure to join. I will leave the link in the description. Yeah, so yeah, for now, it's your forex mentor signing out.